So, you've seen we've got the engine running, got the dashboard back in, all the instruments, all the electrics, most of the systems now work on the car. Not fantastically well, and it is going to need some tuning and adjustment, but we're going to leave that till later. What we're going to do now is crack on with the bodywork, the structural, and also some of the cosmetics, with the aim of getting this car running and road legal just as soon as we can. Well, as you can see, the boot floor is looking a bit better. That was a damp, rusty, disgusting mess, and that's now quite tidy. The fuel tanks de-rusted, so all quite nice in there. Now I'm just getting ready to actually drop the rear windscreen in, which really will be fantastic. Then the actual car will have a kind of integrity. It will all be in one piece, and it means we could even go outside in the rain without filling up with water. So quite an exciting moment. Here's the parcel shelf going in. That's nice. Perfect. Just patching in part of the headlining fabric each side of the window before the window can go in. So now we're actually going to try and get the glass in, which is a nice big step forward. In at the bottom, sort of. be right. About that. Right, it's a bit wonky, got some adjustment to do, but that's the glass basically in. Well, that is astonishing, what a difference. Oh, that's the end of a very long night. It was before midnight when I got here, and now it's daylight outside, but we really did get an awful lot of things done. I'm really happy with what I've managed to achieve. Parcel shelf headlining, windscreen, main things, so it really is a lot more like a car, so that was a good night's work. And here it is with the rear windscreen fitted, looking much more presentable, and the parcel shelf is in as well. And the repairs around the back of the headlining, not fantastic, but a damn sight better than it was. So all in all, looking much better. Well, if you are a rigid purist, I think you better look away now, because as you can see, I'm mixing up a bit of body filler. I'm just filling up this nasty hole that we had at the top of the front wing. There's a number of patches on this car which are non-structural. It's not, doing anything for the safety or structural integrity. And to be frank, I just haven't got the time or resources right now to go around and repair all those bits as per original. So basically what I'm doing is filling them up. It makes the car look better, it makes it watertight, it takes away the ragged edges. It means when it rains the water runs off instead of inside, and over time I can come back, this wing can come off and we can do it properly. But I actually think if I was to try and take it off now and do it nicely, I'd end up back in the same position of the previous person who did put an awful lot of work into this car, but unfortunately, despite their best intentions, didn't manage to finish it. No shame in that, it's a big project, any old car, but sometimes if you set your standards too high, higher than the resources you've got to hand, then you might not see it through. but that shuts beautifully, which is nice. I've sorted the hinge out now, which was an issue since I picked the car up, so now it's the first time the door actually shuts properly. So actually that's the body pretty much sorted. All I need to do now is patch in all the cosmetic bits and pieces and crack on with all the kind of servicing and lubrication I need for the MOT. So that's great.